Hi, I'm going to show you how to do hip carry with an Ergo Omni. This is the Dream. It works for pretty much any carriers you can cross strap with. Okay, so we'll start in the front carry. Bring your baby on your front, panel across, flip over, switch hands and pull down, and you clip. Okay, you tighten a bit. From here, flip over, switch hands, clip. Don't make it super tight if you're going straight into a hip carry. If you just front carry and then want to move to a hip carry, then make sure it is tight if you start like this, okay? So if you're here, you're gonna go to the hip, we're gonna loosen. And then we're gonna start moving baby to the side. And you can loosen both sides. You don't have to loosen if it works fine. See what works for you. I always loosen a bit that side and I'm going to carry on. So remember it is crossed. So I loosen that side. Bring baby to the hip. So a hip carry is not like baby just pushing your shoulder away, okay? So it's more like a side carry really. Take that arm off, it'll just come off anyway. So you just take it off. And then I'm going to bring this back across. So that's going to give me some middle back support whilst I carry. It's nice. Tighten. And then choose where you sit this. Some people like it here, some people like it here. Whatever works for you. If you need, you retighten the other side. So your baby can look around. Turn their head. If they've got some good head control, you want to give them a bit more freedom, you can even have one like that. Sometimes that can help babies who get a bit annoyed in the sling because suddenly they can see everything and they just want to have more freedom. Or you can do this on the other side. You choose. See what your baby likes, follow their lead. So that is the hip carry. If you're breastfeeding, super handy because you just stay where you are but you loosen a bit. So lift and lift. And you can go straight down. Nose to nipple feed. If you're bottle feeding, same thing, you loosen, lift the baby's bum, start to go near your shoulder, and then grab the legs, sit them in a seated position like this, and you can feed like that with the bottle. It's nice, gives you lots of relief. It's really lovely. When you're done, lift the baby up. Arms through, legs through, sorry. Continue with the hip carry, we tighten. If you're done, or your baby's fallen asleep, which they often do, you can come back center. Loosen, arm back through, and then make sure you guide your slack around, like that. That's nice and snug and you're good to go. That's it, that is the hip carry. Thank you for watching, bye.